Hi, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps for claiming a Nest warranty. Let's dive in. Take a look at our website, where 3 simple steps are provided to guide you through the process of claiming the Nest warranty. You will gain a better understanding of the warranty claim process for Nest after reviewing the guidelines. You can reach out to customer support by phone at 313-483-9127. They operate on weekdays from 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. PT. You can also via live chat and email. When you click the second link, support.google.com/Google Nest. Under the first question, comment your query briefly. You will get more subtopics, which may provide you with solutions. The customer support team provides troubleshooting guidance to customers. If this guidance fails, you will be eligible for a replacement. Before the replacement, they will send a verification code to your Nest account for verification. Once it's done, they will provide return authorization. After receiving the defective product you've sent, they will dispatch the replacement. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too. I'm here to support you anytime.